they just did it. The best free AI video generator on the internet just locked its doors. If you were generating free AI videos, you probably woke up and realized Grok is no longer free. They put their incredible image-to-video model behind a paywall, and thousands of creators are panicking right now. So the question is, does it really have any good free alternative? The answer is yes. I spent the last 48 hours testing every single AI video generator left on the market, and I found a 100% free alternative that can actually replace it. Now let's get started with the first tool. The first tool is Meta AI. Simply go to Google and search for Meta AI, click on the first link, and you will land directly on the homepage. Sign up, and your dashboard will be ready. Now you're all set to start. To begin, click on the plus icon, then select the Create option. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Now switch from image to video mode, enter your prompt in the prompt box, and click on Animate. Your video will start generating, and within a few moments you will get 4 stunning video results. You can download all of them or simply choose your favorite one. For example, I'll select this one. Just look at the result. The quality is amazing, the video looks stunning, and the best part, there is no watermark at all. If you want, you can also make changes to your video. You can add music, extend the clip, restyle it, or customize it however you like. But if you're happy with the result, simply download it. Now let's try another example. I followed the same process again, and once again, I got 4 amazing results. I'll pick my favorite one. And again, just look at the quality. It's clean, smooth, and looks absolutely incredible. No watermark, high quality, and completely free. I repeated this process multiple times and generated even more videos. And here are the results. All right, guys, now let's move to our second tool. The second tool is Wan AI. Simply go to Google and search for Wan AI, then click on the first link. You will land directly on the homepage of the tool. Now let's sign up. You can create an account using your Google account or your email. But here's the interesting part that makes this tool a little different. Many people say that this tool gives limited credits and video generation is also limited, so they think it's not suitable for creating multiple videos. But don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. You can use temporary emails to create multiple accounts and keep getting fresh credits again and again. So just go to any temp mail website, copy a temporary email, and use it to sign up. Now your account is ready and you're all set. After logging in, you will get free daily credits that you can use for video generation. All right, now let's generate our first video. To get started, simply go to the prompt box and make sure the video option is selected. And if you click on the Generate section, you will also notice some extra options. Here you will find different effects that you can use to make your video more creative. But for now, let's keep it simple and start from scratch. So simply enter your video prompt. If you want, you can also add frames to your video, like a starting frame or an ending frame. You can even upload an audio file if you want to include custom sound. There are also some additional settings available where you can adjust things like camera movement, lighting, and style. Once everything is set, simply click on Generate and our video will start creating. Since we are using credits, the generation will be fast. And after a short wait, our video is ready. Here we go. Just look at the result. The quality is amazing, the motion is smooth, and everything looks perfectly aligned. Even the sound fits really well with the visuals. It looks professional and very high quality. Now simply download your video. Yes, there is a small watermark since we are using the free version, but don't worry, you can easily remove it using any online watermark remover, and honestly, the results are totally worth it. Now, as you can see, our credits are finished. But don't worry, as I mentioned earlier, you can still generate videos even with 0 credits. The quality will remain the same, but the process will be a bit slower. So if you have patience, you can continue creating videos without any credits. But if you want faster results, you can simply create a new account using a temporary email and continue generating videos without limits. I repeated this process multiple times using different accounts, and here are my results. Just look at these videos. The quality is high, the visuals are stunning, and everything looks top-notch. Honestly, tools like these are a huge advantage right now, because As we know, Grok was our main free option for AI video generation, and now it's paid, which is quite frustrating. But the good thing is, we still have these tools, so you can take advantage of them and keep creating content for free without any subscription or extra cost. I have shown you the complete process step by step. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, try it yourself, and start creating. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. We will keep bringing more free AI tools for you. See you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching.